Finding the space opening wide, stepping through to the other side. Trust in the path that you see. You don't have to stay here to be free, free, free. Another dimension calls my name through the portal, not the same. Another world beyond this view, another chance to make it through.
lost within the maze. I was voiceless till you showed me better days. And I know it's true, need this connection. You know it too, you're my obsession. You're my obsession. he holds 1,000 dreams, but I can't seem to hear what's in your soul, in your soul. But distance is the cruelest friend. It's pulling us apart, taking control, taking control. How we get so trapped within these four walls, watching you become a stranger in the halls. I remember us, but we're starting to fall, reaching out to call. And if we center on this feeling, take the pieces of our brokenness and heal. So won't you find my heart, 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 find my heart in the chaos. Find my heart, find my heart, find my heart, find my heart, find my heart. Find my heart, find my heart. Find my heart, find my heart. Find my heart, find my heart, find my heart in the chaos. Find my heart, won't you? Find my heart, 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 find my heart in the chaos. Find my heart. At the station, where the final journey starts, feel the calling as we're ready to depart. And I see it's time, last stop before eternity. And I see it's time, this is our destiny. And I